Guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time stopping by, please kindly subscribe for me, guys. I beg you with the name of God, just hit the notification bell. Subscription is free. So guys, in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I prepared my Nigeria stew. So in here guys, I have goat meat, my cow tribe, my thyme, my curry, my onions and salt to taste, and my Maggie cubes. So guys, I'm going to take you along and show you the method I use. Okay, stay tuned and keep watching. Yeah guys, this is my blender, my fresh tomatoes, my paprika. So before I use them, I'm going to be washing it very well before blending them, because if you don't wash your tomatoes you can end up eating sand and other stuff. So this is my blended tomatoes. I'm just going to be cooking it for 40 minutes before using it. Yeah guys, you can also use this recipe at home to prepare your Nigeria stew. Trust me, you will like it. Okay, so guys, this is the outcome of my meat. I'm going to be using this meat to prepare my African stew. Okay, so keep watching my video. Thank you so much for waiting. So guys, in this process I'm going to be adding my tomatoes. After frying it for about 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding my tomato paste. So, okay, keep watching the video.